Here's the OpAmp circuit that I thought might work for sound effects, operating an LED for sound effects. It's LM, in this example, it's the LM358. You'll see here's your voltage positive, voltage negative. The actual functional portion is over here. You got a 50K potentiometer hooked to pins between these two pins with the floating. We're not using the third pin in this case. We got a 1.5K running off of this pin as well back to ground. Our input from the audio, from output, this is the negative side, goes to ground. Positive side goes to the input. Then your outputs, this is your output here, same as where the potentiometer is, and again ground. Gives you your output to your LED, which you may want a current limiting resistor in there as well. And then you have your LED in here and whatever you want to figure for your current limit. I'm powering this right now off of 5 volts. This is the output, the input and the output, and we're just going to play some music. So now we're playing our music. The input is this smaller waveform. That's the input, and that's the output. Now if we want to alter, make it just barely flicker, or we want it to really go crazy on us, then you just adjust that. You see what that does to the output as it's adjusted, which you see visually. So as soon as we stop the music, everything goes flatline. Thank you. I did forget to mention this part over here, the 210K resistors. This is a dual OpAmp, and I don't know if you can, if you have to do it for this particular model. So this is one OpAmp on this side, these 3 pins here, and these 3 pins. Output, negative input, positive input. Output, negative input, positive input. Or wait, positive? Yeah, positive input, negative input, and output. Positive input, negative input, and output. This is one way I'm assuming is correct for this OpAmp, is you should terminate this so it doesn't end up functioning constantly, putting a drain on it, possibly overloading it in some instances apparently. So we hook the output to the negative input. We put a voltage divider in here with 2 matched resistors, and then hook that to the input. I don't know, like I said, whether it's needed for this one. I was going to use a different OpAmp I happen to have laying around, but having a lot of issues with it. So I picked these up, and they seem to work nice.